this is Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a video that is how to apply winged eyeliner. So I hope you guys gonna like this video and give it to the thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and let's start this video. So here I am using my liquid eyeliner that is from Blue Heaven. I am using this liner from very long time. So I'm taking a stroke, and now always start drawing eyeliner from the mid of eyelid and take it to the last corner of your eyelid, and after that you can see here I have divided eyelid in two parts, and after that you can cover the second part of your eyelid. This is the perfect way to apply eyeliner. I hope you guys gonna like my video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.